In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to add Google Forms to Facebook page. Let's start this by going to Google Forms. Now, open the Google form that you have, or you can create a new one. For now, let's just use this form right here. Once you're in the Google form that you want to add, then click the Publish button above and publish your form first. After that, click on the link button right here and then you can select whether to shorten the URL or not. Click on the copy button to copy it. After copying it, then go to your Facebook page. In your Facebook page profile, click the three dots icon right here, then select Edit Action button. Select Try It and then choose an option that you want. You can experiment with the options here if you want, but for now, let's just select the Sign Up option. Click Next to proceed, then paste the link from your Google form. After that, click the Save button. Now, you can check it by clicking the three dots icon again and then select View as option. As you can see, there's this Sign Up button here, and once clicked, they will be redirected to your Google form. Now, let's try to add it on the intro section of your page. Click on the Edit Details, then click on the Update Your Information button below. Under the Websites and Social Links, click the Add a Website button. Now, paste the Google Form link, then click Save button below. And that's the two-way for you to add Google Forms to your Facebook page.